In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 1000 by 50 using the long division method. Consider the number 100 because it is greater than 50. We know that 50 times 2 is equal to 100. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 50. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. But see that this is the number 0. So we can remove one 0. And we know that 50 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 1000 divided by 50 is equal to 20. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.